Transport of materials in human beings. In the body of majority of animals, substances are transported from one part of the body to another through blood. Thus, blood is the tissue of transport and circulates throughout the body. Blood transports nutrients, respiratory gases, hormones, and waste material from one part of the body to another. Circulatory system consists of organs which make blood circulate throughout the body. Human circulatory system consists of centrally located muscular pump called heart and blood vessels, which are tube-like structures connected to the heart. Blood vessels are of three kinds: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries. They carry blood from heart to various parts of the body. Veins. They bring blood from various parts of the body to the heart. Capillaries. These are thin vessels between the artery and the vein. The capillaries allow the exchange of materials between blood and tissues.